grader Emily Mead, and by our Faculty Senate President and 8th grade teacher, Becky Alvaro, to participate in the ALS Challenge. We accept the challenge and we will donate $10. I'd like to nominate the following. My friends from school, when I was in elementary, middle, and high school: Marty Pincher from Las Vegas, Nevada; Nancy Carpenter from St. Mary's, West Virginia; and Ellen Rosales, yes, you, Ellen, from New Mexico.
I'm Carl Wunderlich. I'm proud to participate in this, and I would like to nominate Robbie Buffington and Jim Richter.
I'm Janet Hathaway. I was also nominated by B.R. Hathaway, and I nominate Shirley Haydorn, Jeff Hathaway, and John Smith.
I'm Jennifer Duart, and I nominate the BMS Cooks.
I'm David Mazza, and I nominate all of the 6th grade teachers.
You have 24 hours, go!
4 hours.
Yo, nice one, dude.